Well, it turns out what you have to do to start pulling really good cards is start complaining and moaning about Walmart and their aisle setup and how you can't stand it, and then your luck turns around. That's how things work out for me. Maybe this will be another good one. We'll see. Screw target 2. How about that? All right. Get my like I'm setting my cards up to party. I'm gonna get all these cards set up. I'm gonna tie off and bang and have a party with the women's division. I don't know about that, brother. It's not, these Charlotte cards follow each other in every pack I've seen. I still have no clue if I've gotten any parallels or not. I'll just have to go back and check later, and that's just a private victory that I have by myself, and I don't get to share with the good brothers on YouTube, but y'all know how it is. Renee Paquette. Oh, so we're getting close to our relic. Let's see. It is 142 of 199. It is a Naomi shirt relic. Then we have a Billy Kay. It's a nice reminder of what can happen. I'll see you guys in the next one.